for years, probably starting in my 50s, I started to become more aware of my smile. And also, I had issues with sensitivity a lot. And I knew at some point, I had no cavities. I think I had one cavity my whole life, but yet my teeth were becoming worn down, basically, I'm a hard brusher. And it just sort of hit me at this stage in my life. It was the right time to do something. And like I said earlier, I had some friends that did it, and their mouth looks amazing. So I thought, wow, why don't I do that? And I could afford it, and I decided to do it. And I'm glad I did. Very nice. Everybody was very welcoming. Everybody made me feel comfortable immediately. And that's what I could tell. How they interacted with each other was important to me. And I saw that everybody was just, getting along. Nobody was uptight. And then I met Dr. Amini, who I liked very much. And that's what I felt, So I thought, this is the place. It was just the way they presented it to me and explained how it would be beneficial in certain ways. And then I decided to go for it. Yeah, absolutely. Many people have actually said to me, wow, you have a nice smile. I feel like I just have all new teeth and I don't have any of the issues I had before, which is to me the biggest thing that I really enjoy about it.